Machine has a FANUC 0i MC control. Again, 4-axis, 8,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. Right now we're running 2,000. Machine goes up to 8,000 RPM. 4,000 RPM. 6,000 RPM. Great. So you have 30 inches of X travel, 16.1 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. For simulating a tool change, you have a 20 station umbrella style tool changer. Rotary's going. The vertical. The Y. And your X. All the axes are quiet. So you've seen the X, Y, Z, and B axes move. You saw the spindle go. Machine also has a remote jog handle.